Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. So you can see currently it is synchronized and connected with my Shopify store, and it is completely authorized. So to do this with Etsy as well and synchronize your products, reviews, and much more, what you need to do is simply install an app. So on the left side of your screen, you need to simply head over to orders section, and below that you should have this app section. So make sure to head over to that and click on this install app. Over here, scroll down till you see Etsy. So install this, just wait for a couple of seconds, and you can see it is now installed. Now what you need to do is simply add your details for your Etsy account, and once you simply register your account, authorize your shop with CJ, and fill all these fields, then you are going to be easily connecting your Etsy account with CJ Dropshipping. And this is how simple it is. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you around in the next video.